So what's your default answer when people ask you how you're doing? I'm busy. Busy, busy, busy. I'm so busy. There's so much going on. You probably heard yourself say that. I prefer I'm as busy as I want to be. We carry busy in our culture as a badge of honor, but when you think about it, there's no honor in being busy just for busy's sake. In fact, busy blocks you from really thinking about your business and using your creativity and having those breakthroughs that are going to catapult you forward. So a lot of the time I spend with clients is making sure they're like me, busy as they want to be. That also allows them to leave when they want to leave. And that's important because what I'm noticing is more and more people are less willing to wait for the exit strategy or for retirement to enjoy their success. They want to enjoy it now, and that's great. That's a real advance in the way we think about our careers and our business. So I've got clients that take the summer off with their kids, no problem, and their businesses still run. And that is really a great way to enjoy the success that you've created in your restaurant company. One of my clients came to me one day and said, you know, my wife and I talked, they're in their early 40s, and he said, we've decided we're going to work like dogs until we're 50, and then we're going to enjoy themselves. He told me this in a bar, and that's a good thing, because when I heard that, I needed a drink. And right then I told him that that was not going to be the way to go forward. That was not the best thing for he and his wife. And 18 months later, they had a second home in another city, and they go 2 weekends a month just to enjoy themselves and work from another location where they can have fun. So if you catch yourself in the trap of bragging about how busy you are, what I'd like you to do is think about whether that busyness is really good for your business.